Asunto sekä yhtiö Pengermaja.
It's another bit all the way today here on the 27th of 2023. This is Viides linja, femte linja, 3 staircase dig. And we have one left to be filled here, as they say. It has different buttons. It is also modernized by Hissiyhtymä in 1983, but these very rare buttons.
Yeah.
Maybe they're more common out in the mainland Europe, but we'll see it later.
Yeah.
Built in 1928 originally, turning 95 years old this year, 2023. Last, in 1983, when the modernization is turning 40 years old this year, 2023. And this number is, age 92, really? The capacity is 3 versus 2 factors. 91, it's here. So, that's a mistake, so it's 91.
Yeah, probably. But I think
it's 92, I think.
Yeah, it's yeah.
Inspection is the date, it should have been 2020.
Yeah.
I want to have a look at the column. Oh, it's the same.
Yeah, it's the same. Municipality Control Finland, maintained by pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus.
Syrin Kaalia Helsinki has partial Finland. Also, Kone has used these buttons in some moderations.
Yeah.
Or also upgrades.
Yeah.
But this take is we'll see how the different Swedish style.
Yeah.
I don't know about A, but we'll see.
Yeah, I like these buttons more.
Yeah, it's a lot better. I like it a bit more. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's